G'day everyone and welcome back to the shop. So one of my viewers has sent me this little drawing in, excuse the coffee stains or oil stains on the plan. And these are a couple little brackets that the customer wants me to make. Now it looks like in our conversation via email he wants it in aluminium and out of the stock 16 by 16 millimetre square solid section. And there's a slot that runs down the top face there, roughly 4mm slot, and in about 4mm from that edge to a depth of 11mm. There's also appears to be a threaded hole in the centre, M4 by 0.7 pitch, and it looks like it's a through hole all the way through to the other side. Righto, well let's jump onto the milling machine and let's make it here today in the shop for you. Rightio, here's the finished parts. They're fresh and hot off the milling machine. They come out okay. A few little blemishes here and there. This is important to note, these didn't expect any sort of tolerances. If customers don't put any tolerance on their drawings or whatever they supply me, I usually work to in plus or minus 0.1 of a mil. So yeah, if it was a tolerance slot, I would have used a smaller cutter and walked in on the sidewalls. But yeah, there's the two little parts. So I'll get those in the mail now and ship them up to him, and hopefully they'll do the job what he wants to do. Righto, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for following along, and I hope you like that little milling machine of mine.